Morning guys, just made my way down to the lake. We have a super cool morning ahead because I am waiting on our brand new Pond King aluminum dock ready for our lake at home, and John's going to be here, the driver for Pond King, any minute, and we're going to show you how it comes in, how this dock arrives, how we set it up, and getting it over to its final location. And it's been an exciting and a fun journey thanks to Pond King. They've made things so easy, and we're about to have our very own dock in our lake, so let's check it out. So this is called the Hot Shot trailer, and everything's pretty much assembled, ready to go. I'm gonna back it straight down into the ramp, assemble the walkway. We're ready to go. Okay, so we've got the ladder here, and we have flipped it. We've flipped it over on its front, and we've sat the one float on here, and all the holes are pre-drilled, ready to go, and we just have to put the bolts in. So bolts are set, ready to go. Pre-drilled hole right there. So actually, super simple fit up now. Drop the dock in. This is going to attach to the bank. These here are going to attach the walkway to the actual dock. Two pieces. We've just got to undo that bolt, slide it through. Once the dock goes through there, it's going to go through, and then we actually don't need to take that bolt off. We just got to take the fast clip out, slide it through, and then put that back on. And then we're going to, these 4 pins are going to hit in each side on the bank, and then we're going to attach the dock with these 2 bolts right here, which is going to screw through from the top there and there, and we're done. All right, so we flipped the ladder over on its side, and then pre-drilled holes ready to go, and we bolted the float. And so the float is on, and now we're going to tip it up back over in front. So let's get that.
Easy peasy.
Too easy. So now we're going to push the dock out a little bit, and then we're going to slide the walkway in, and we're going to attach it from there to there onto the dock. And we'll be almost there. Just lining them up. Too easy. Putting these pins through. Okay. Man, that's easy. That one was easy. Now I've got this side to do. It was way easier than I thought. Okay, that process was actually super simple. We lined the dock up with the float on, and then just lined it up, and those 2 posts went straight through, pin on, and the walkway is now attached to the dock and ready to be attached to the bank. Got A couple more steps to go and it's done. It's good to have good neighbours. So we've floated it and now we're going to tow it over to its home. Forever. This isn't attached and it's unbelievably stable already. This is crazy how good it is.
I'll just hand this to you.
Okay.
Alright. Pretty good at skiing?
Yeah.
Are you still, you want to be standing up?
Yeah, I'm going to sit down. It's the spot for its new home. We've towed it over here. I'm just going to push it backwards. Start working on putting it on the bank. Alright. Got it in its spot. It was super simple. Can't believe how sturdy it is already and we don't even have it down. So we just pretty much towed it across the lake, lined it up, and I've just sat the ladder up on the bank, and now we are going to stake this down. 4 stakes provided, and then these 2 bolts are going to go into the top and screw down onto the back side of the walkway. Alright, so we just had to dig out a little bit of a section along here just to level it out, because we want this bar to be level. And so sitting at level that way, and then also facing the lake, so it sits out parallel with the lake. So we've got it level now. Now we're going to drive these stakes in. Yep, that's level. And then it's level with the lake. So now we just have to lift this up. We're going to sit it up onto here. Get it level. Put the bolts through. We should be good. Line that up. All right, the final piece of assembly. Ladder's going to come in a box separate, 3 pieces, and then you're going to have your swim ladder hardware and your last couple bolts for your ladder as well. And they actually asked me where I want it, what corner, and so they're pre-drilled holes there and there and ready to go right up the front. Okay, just putting the ladder together. Super simple. The bolts that come in the pack are going to be just a straight bolt and a lock nut, and pretty simple. Let's go straight in there and in here. We're going to actually just slot it in. Now I'm just going to drop it in. Line the holes up. Man, that's nice looking. That was super easy. That's it, guys. The dock and ladder is done. Could not have gone any smoother, easier. A couple hours in the morning and we were done. This is gonna get a ton of use. Hobie, fishing, rupee, chilling. It's gonna get a lot of use. Thanks, Pond King.